I think you are searching about Corgi dog plush, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following thing, are you looking for? Need good quality Corgi dog plush? Need free shipping Corgi dog plush? Looking for soft and interactive type Corgi dog plush? Looking for PP cotton filling Corgi dog plush? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best Corgi dog plush. Number 1. MIAOOWA Corgi dog plush, and the feature is material, cotton. Features, soft, interactive, educational, model, DIY. Theme, TV and movie character. Age range, greater than 3 years old. Size, 30, 45, and 60 centimeters. Let's go for number 2. BABIQU Corgi dog plush, and the feature is material, cotton. Theme, TV and movie character. Filling, PP cotton. Age range, greater than 3 years old. Size, 40, 50 centimeters. Let's go for number 3. Lintunba Corgi dog plush, and the feature is material, cotton. Theme, TV and movie character. Filling, PP cotton. Age range, greater than 3 years old. Size, 35 centimeters.